from Kemonokapi feathers. Ooh, that's
Cute.
nice. The backpack.
Oh, it's got a zipper.
Feels something.
Let's say something's in it.
Let's see what we got here. Looks like instructions.
There's something in between too.
Yeah.
Oh, fur samples.
Fur samples and a sticker. Very cute. Let's see. Storage and travel, washing and repairs and stuff.
Nice, nice.
Fur samples. Ooh, this is all very soft.
Ooh.
Ah, yeah. Excellent. There's more stuff. Ah.
Oh, is that a fan?
Fan. Very nice.
Oh, you'd be lucky if I don't steal that for you. And then put the Conti costume back on. Could have used that at DragonCon.
Oh, nice.
Oh, cute. Little
Keychain.
You got all kinds of freebies.
Yeah. Ooh,
Lanyard.
Lanyard. Very nice.
Well, wait, there's more.
Ooh,
Enamel pen.
Enamel pen. Very cute.
Oh, that's so adorable. I love it.
Feel one more thing.
Is this why parents have kids on Christmas? Because I feel like... Is
Another
it tongue?
Yeah. That's cute.
I feel like that's what this is like.
Yeah.
Like, is this why my parents filmed me?
Oh, it's so big.
The tongue looked like when you buy the little, like, dog socks or with the rubber toes.
Ooh, he's so cute.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's so big and soft and cute.
I want to see. Mulder, don't come over here.
It's okay.
He's like,
Oh my god.
oh my god, its eyes are really cute. Oh, I love it.
X3.
I'm getting it on them little slit eyeballs. That's really cool.
And the tongue has a
Oh,
magnet.
magnet! Oh my god, that's adorable. Please put it on.
Yes. Okay.
I love how round it is.
Me too. Oh yeah, and I'll show off the inside. Very nice. Oh, there's like a fan in it or something.
Oh, snap.
It's a USB fan.
Oh,
That's
god.
really cool. Where is it? I can't see. It's dark in here. I'll find it later, but
You
that's
furries are
super
innovative.
cool.
I should have started doing this at cons for
Yeah.
cosplay a long time ago. I didn't realize how easy it was to pop a fan inside of something.
Mm-hmm. All right, here we go.
Oh my god, that's really cute. I love the shape of the head. And it's got like angry eyebrows. The eyes follow too, don't they? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, they look really good. It's super cartoony. Hey, it's okay, Josh. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my god, it's fine. It's Growly. You're fine.
It's me, see?
Hey. I'm sorry, we have a very concerned dog. It's okay. Leave it. Leave it. You know that we make costumes. It's cool.
Very cute. Hey.
Zooming in on the detail.
I'm soft.
Am soft. And you get this in 4K. Because I shot it with my phone. The little teeth really make it.
teeth are really cute.
Oh, there's more in the back too. Cute. You get a couple back snippers.
I love it.
I like this too, the divide between like the longer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I love it.
Me too. All right.
Alright. Anything else you want to say about the head before I turn the video off?
It has ear vents.
Oh, Lord. That's good
It's
and
amazing.
terrifying. It's really amazing.
Thank you, Feathers.